Minister of Religion pleads guilty to indecent assault of 11-year-old girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Catherine Minister of Religion on Thursday pleaded guilty to indecent assault of an 11-year-old girl. The man, whose name is being withheld to protect the child's identity, is to be sentenced in the St. Catherine Parish Court on February 9, 2024. He pleaded guilty at the start of the trial yesterday. The bail of the Minister of Religion was also extended. The married man was arrested after a report was made to the police that he sexually molested the young girl, who is a relative of his wife, in August 2022. He was subsequently arrested and charged with indecent assault following a question and answer session. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.